Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start a series called All About Me, Tudo sobre mim in Portuguese, in which you're going to learn how to express your emotions and details about yourself in Portuguese. Today we're going to learn about expressing emotions in Portuguese. So if you don't want to miss out on anything related to this series, go ahead, like the channel, start following so that you won't miss one single video about it, okay? Let's go to the video. If you want to express your emotions in Portuguese, you're going to use the verb to be or estar in Portuguese plus the adjectives. So we're going to start with a few adjectives that are very common in English, and we're going to learn how to say those in Portuguese, okay? So let's get started. Glad is alegre. Scared is com medo. Sad is triste. Disgusted is enojada or enojado. Angry is com raiva. And surprised is surpreso for masculine or surpresa for feminine. To express how you're feeling, you're going to do exactly as you do in English. You're going to have the pronoun, the verb, and then you're going to have the adjective. So in this case, if you're saying, I am sad, in Portuguese, you would be saying, eu estou triste. Eu estou triste. Okay? Let's see how this is going to work for the other pronouns as well. Eu estou triste. Você está triste. Ele está triste. Ela está triste. Nós estamos tristes. Vocês estão tristes. Eles, elas estão tristes. You can see that in Portuguese, whenever you have a plural, you're going to probably add the letter S at the end of it. So you need to pick up on that, okay? Singular words and plural words in Portuguese are going to be slightly different. Usually you put the letter S at the end of that when you're indicating the plural of those adjectives. Let's learn a few more words in Portuguese right now. Happy is feliz. Anxious, ansioso or ansiosa. Calm, calmo, calma. Upset, chateado, chateada. Bored, entediado, entediada. Differently from English, you're going to notice that also you need to understand the gendered part of the word. If it's a masculine, you're going to use O. If it's the feminine version, you're going to put an A at the end of that word, as we saw in most of the adjectives that I showed before. If I want to do the negative version of these sentences, I need to put the not in front of the verb in Portuguese. So as in English, you would have, I am not upset. In Portuguese, you're going to invert that order and say, eu não estou chateado or chateada. Because you got to the end of this video, I'll give you one extra tip. Whenever someone from Brazil asks how you are doing, they will probably say, tudo bem? Or tudo bom? Which means, how are you? Is everything good? Is everything okay? That's kind of the way that we ask if you're doing okay. So if anyone ever asks, tudo bem? Tudo bom? They are pretty much saying, hi, hello, how are you doing? Just like you would in English, okay? So thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and I'll see you later. Ciao.